we're stapling down shell, but I want to show you how the Nature All-in-One Underlayment works. Having underlayment under the floor is critically important. It helps protect against moisture coming up from below and damaging the floor. That typically is the #1 cause of problems with any hardwood floor, and so to protect against moisture and have full warranty, you definitely need an underlayment. This is Nature All-in-One. What's really nice about this is that it doesn't off-gas. It's a moisture barrier, and it also has antimicrobial properties. So often, when you're thinking about what you want to put underneath the floor, you also should be aware of the chemicals that are in those products as well. And this was really nice because it doesn't off-gas because it's soybean based. So it comes in a 100 square foot roll, really easy process to roll out, as you can see. We already have some installed here, and you can see on the previously installed roll, there's a small adhesive strip, and then there's a overlap here that you basically peel out. So I'm going to peel this out, because what you want to make sure you have the overlap, because if you didn't have an overlap and this was just exposed, moisture could come up from below. And so you take this adhesive strip and you just peel it off. And then now we're just going to run the overlap. And it can stick a little bit, so you kind of want to pull it out as you're rolling it. But pretty easy. Yeah, so Nature All-in-One installation, pretty straightforward.